Now, I know I can't suggest that you do a lot, but I'm suggesting you do this. Stop applying for so many things at a time. The inquiries are killing you. Ladies and gentlemen, we back for another week, another Tuesday, another talking, another lesson, another opportunity for you to get who I am as a financial services producer, okay? Welcome to Talk To Me Tuesday. Now, just like I've been making a point to let you know where to find me, visit my website, www.archerfinancialservices.org. Again, the web address is www.archerfinancialservices.org. And on the site, man, you can see what services I offer. I provide updates for when I'm doing things or when I'm thinking about doing something. But most importantly, it's going to segue you right to where my reviews are. And not to, toot my own horn, but toot 5 stars all the way across the board, buddy. But enough about that. You're going to see all that when you go to the site. Let's get down into it, okay? You, a consumer. You're here to consume. We all are. We like to get things. We like to make purchases. We like to be on top of things. But then, when it comes down to getting things that require that you utilize your credit, let me tell you, when you're making moves and your credit isn't strong, and you're making these inquiries on your credit report, these inquiries are killing you. They are killing you. They are killing you. They are killing you. Now, of course, again, I can't control what you do, can't control what the processes that you want to go through when you run through life, but I do want you to consider this. If they have to pull your credit, and you know your credit isn't the strongest, I understand you have to make emergency moves sometimes. And I understand that you have to do things when you're not, just in the best of standing. But if it's just a random Tuesday and you just say, I wonder if I could get a black card with American Express or something like that, and you know your credit not good, don't do it. Don't put that inquiry on your credit report, okay? In the past, I've told you how to potentially apply for credit cards without necessarily having them count as a hard inquiry, and you don't get them. Of course, you get the card and then it counts as an inquiry once you agree to the terms of service and everything like that. You have to go back to that old video to watch it. But when you just randomly out here seeing what you can get just to see on a random day, like, those inquiries add up really, really, really quickly. There are people in life who have maybe 3, 4, 5 inquiries. That's okay. But then you get to the people who have 10s, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, all the way up to maybe 100 inquiries, right? And it's killing you. It's killing your score. It's killing you via whatever comments that are going to come back when they send you that denial letter in 7 to 10 to 14 business days. Those inquiries are killing you, because at this point you're like, okay, you're asking, they're going to see that you're asking for stuff, and then you asking for stuff doesn't necessarily lead to you having that specific trade line on your credit report. So now you're asking, you're looking desperate, and you're doing things and is nuking your score. And on top of that, inquiries tend to stick around for 2 years on your credit report. So now, let's just say it's 21 now. So 2023, you still getting dinged for that month where you put in 30 inquiries for some jazz that you probably shouldn't have even done. Okay? So I just want you to think. Be wise. If you don't need to pull your credit, don't do it. And if you do, I pray that you get it, because the inquiries immediately subtract points from your credit score. I've seen it happen. It happened to me when I tried to buy a car. I mean, I got the car, but at the same time, my thing's going off and say, you've made an inquiry here, you've made an inquiry there, and it immediately dropped my score on my FICO. I saw it in real time. And then, of course, they try to ploy you and whatever, but that's a different talk for a different thing. But I just want you to be mindful. Watch out how many inquiries you put on your credit report, okay? It is very serious that you monitor this kind of thing. If you do not, you look desperate, and it's going to be a no-brainer, especially if acceptances are computerized. It's going to be a no-brainer to deny you. So now, not only do you not have what you were seeking out, but you also have inquiries to carry for the next 24 months. Unless